mayong adlaw kanatong tanan, Jan of May, wishing you a silver anniversary of your marriage, and also birthday of Janjan, 50th birthday. So
Happy birthday.
wishing you joy, happiness, and more years to be together as a happy couple together with your children, Iljan and Kay.
Happy birthday, Jan. 50th birthday, Jan. And 25th wedding anniversary.
Nag-attend.
Happy birthday, Uncle Jan. Happy 25th wedding anniversary.
Ni Auntie May.
Ate May. Nalit big kuan kay nag-attend mi sa moving up junior high completer si Trinity, number 1 sa iyang class. Class valedictorian. Congrats.
Happy birthday, happy 50th birthday, Uncle Jan. And
Napamaming
happy silver
Silver
wedding anniversary. Shout out Jan and Timay, Eljan. Also Ate Kay.
Niya sa mga kuan, kumusta ninyo diha sa relatives ni May
Zamboanga.
diha sa Zamboanga. Sige.
God bless.
God bless.
Good health.
Good
Happy
health.
birthday and happy wedding anniversary.
Sige. May tag makaanha pohon pero unsaon apiki magyud sa schedule.
Visit.
Sige. Bye-bye. Sige.